Hello, welcome to Marrvelous Gardening. I'm Sarah Adams Dumas, and this is the second part of our two-part series of planting and growing Japanese sweet potatoes. Now, in case you haven't had a Japanese sweet potato, these are from the store, but these are Japanese sweet potatoes, and they taste quite different from your regular sweet potatoes, and they are amazing. I absolutely love them. So what we did in the previous video, you can go find it on my YouTube channel or Facebook group, Marrvelous Gardening, or Instagram. But we created slips by putting the potatoes in a glass of water with toothpicks, and then we plant those slips. And I'm going to show you what we did with the slips. So I got these 10-gallon bags. You can buy them anywhere online. And I planted 3 slips per bag. I wanted to give them plenty of room to grow potatoes, and I wanted the potatoes to be larger. So what I did is I planted the slips on the very bottom. Probably the soil was about this high, so I would have put the slips in soil this high, and I keep building up the soil as the greens grow. So about after 30 days after I planted, I check the greens, see how tall they are, and you can see here they're really big. So I'm almost to the top of this bag, and what I did is I just folded the bag down in the beginning so my greens would get some sun, and then as I start filling it, I start rolling it up. So I'm rolling this one up, and what you do is you just put soil over the greens. So if these were growing in the ground, Japanese sweet potatoes are vines, so they would just plant themselves in the ground. But since they're not, we're going to do the work and help them. So by covering the greens, this is where we're going to get new potatoes. Now with your regular potatoes, they're not as viney, so what you do is you just build up the soil around them. As the greens come up, you build the soil up around them. You just leave a little bit of greens on top just so we can get some photosynthesis, and there you go, that's it. So then I just put some organic fish emulsion in here, so they have lots of nutrition, and some azomite. Remember, we always grow organically to take care of Mother Nature, and so we have healthy foods to put in our body. So really, that's it. It's as simple as that. So thank you for joining me here at Marrvelous Gardening. Be sure and follow me on YouTube, my Facebook page at Marrvelous Gardening, and it's really been a pleasure to be here with you. Thanks so much. Have a marvelous day.